We wanted everybody, no matter what their income level, to have the freedom to use the tax preparation service. We care from every aspect. We care about our employees, we care about the community, we care about our clients. With the exception of some paid interns that we have, everybody here is family. I just like to surround myself with people who I know are honest and good people. Freedom Tax has been in business for 6 years, but I've personally done taxes for over 3 decades. Freedom Tax provides services, tax preparation, tax planning, and payroll. We love our clients here at Freedom Tax. We're very protective of them, and we always are excited to really see them and help them every year. Our one regret is that we only see them once a year.
I'm Carla, and I'm a tax specialist at Freedom Tax. Steve and Alice are actually my uncle and aunt. This is a very busy office, and I love being busy. I love seeing all the people, just having conversations with all different people, all different families. We see the same people come back every year. Their kids come to see us too. So then we start to do taxes for their children as well, when their children are in college, when they graduate.
Once people use us, and they experience the convenience of having their taxes done in about an hour by a professional who's accountable for what's done, they never go back. We find that taxes are very confusing for our clients. We see a lot of unfortunate events because people haven't paid their tax, but there are a lot of ways we can help people who owe back taxes. It starts with filing their returns, yes, but you may not have to pay the whole amount, or perhaps you could pay it over a period of time, get an installment agreement. There's different ways to handle it, but ignoring a problem just is not the way. I would beg people, just don't ignore your problems. We don't judge here. People come to us with problems, and we just want to solve those problems. Everybody has problems, and it's not our business to inquire, why that happened, just to fix it.
We have people that come in that are nervous to file their taxes, but we try to do whatever we can within legal limits. We also help for them to set up a payment plan to make it easier for them.
We always tell people, don't let payment become a barrier to having somebody help you. We have payment plans, credit cards. There's just so many ways. I wouldn't let that stop somebody who needed our service. What I would say to anybody who thought they couldn't afford the service or they didn't need the service, and we see this a lot, we provide a free consultation. If somebody, for example, doesn't need to file and won't get a refund based on that, we don't charge. As a matter of fact, anybody who comes in, we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if you come in and for any reason at the end of our consultation, even if we've already prepared your return and you're not happy, you don't owe us anything. People who don't earn a lot are actually some of the best people to do their taxes. They could be eligible for thousands of dollars in government rebates and credits. So while I'm not going to say this is a typical result, we had people in here last year who made about $15,000, and their refund was more than half their salary, is $8,000. So that person may not have had to file, but it would have been a huge mistake to not prepare their taxes. Wherever you are in the country, Freedom Tax can do your return either in person or over the phone or by internet. Freedom Tax is an easy 3-step process. You simply send us your documents, we'll call you to let you know that the data has been entered, and then we set up an appointment, which is step 2, and then finally step 3 is just finalizing your return. There's no need for anybody to even leave their house. But in addition, we're starting a program locally right now where we're sending people out to other people's homes in order to scan the documents and send it. Those people are going to be messengers in effect. You're still going to have the Freedom Tax professionals handle your return. And this will be good for people who are just homebound, for example. If people want to get in touch with us, they should just call us at 973-337-6894. They can also email me at steve@ftaxes.com. I would beg people, just don't ignore your problems. Let a professional handle it, and something that seems insurmountable, is very, very manageable if you have help.